Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauryne and this is your first time here. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on this hair I have installed right now. It is from WowAfrican and yeah, it's raw Indian wave hair. So if you want to see my thoughts on this wig, please keep watching. So guys, I've had this unit for about 2 weeks now and I've really been liking it so far. This is the natural color. I have it in 20 inches. I got the elastic band attached and I got all the knots bleached and pre-plucked, all specced out because I didn't have a time crunch on it like I did last time. But it surprised me because with each specification that you add on there, you add time onto it as well because the people have to make it for you. So the more detail, the more time. So I put in all my specs and all, and the website prepared me for to have to wait 20 days for them to make it before they could ship it out. And I was fine with that. I was happy to wait, but I was really surprised because I got a notification like 3 days later that my unit was ready, and I had it within the next week. So about a week and a half I had my unit. And just a disclaimer, I don't work with WowAfrican. I'm just a regular customer. I would love to work with them one day because I really love wigs and all that, but I just wanted to put that out there because some people or some companies do have the reputation of sending people who they work with better units and like units faster. So I just wanted to put that out there for you guys to ease your mind. This unit I said was 20 inches. I forgot. Oh, there was a sale when I purchased it, and the website is kind enough to have let you do the sale, use the sale code, and then an influencer's coupon code. So those two codes together brought the price of this unit down to about $200 even. So that was really nice. And so that, because especially with 20 inches, like that's where it falls on me really, but with 20 inches or any amount of inches over 12, they start charging you more because it's more hair to work with. So yeah, it was nice to be able to get this much hair for that amount of money. I was looking at Brazilian units as well because I don't know why, but a lot of people tend to only use Brazilian hair. I don't know if there's a difference in quality between the two, but I'm happy with this so far. It hasn't been tangling. There's been very minimal shedding. I have washed it once, so blow dried it and all that stuff. But yeah, very minimal shedding, and the curl pattern really does come back when I wash it. So I'll insert clips of the hair in each different states that I've had it in or styles I've done so far. These curls I have right here are brushed out wand curls. So I did like wand curls really tight and wore them tightly for a couple of days, and then I've brushed them out, and so it holds a curl really well. I also did use some hairspray. I used, where's the cap? I'm trifling, whatever. I used the Tresemme all day humidity resistant spray, and this has been really good. It doesn't leave the hair crunchy or anything. It's still very soft and all of that. So as I said, again, I'm going to put in clips of what the hair looked like when I first got it and the texture you will get when you receive the hair. So all in all, I really appreciate the quality and the speed in which WowAfrican produces its units. This is my second wig from them, and I really loved the quality of both of the wigs that I have. You guys know that I wore the last one like almost every day, and it lasted me a year. And I would still wear it if I haven't like butchered it, like all of the wear and tear and the I guess experimenting I did with it, yeah, over a year. Something, it's, the quality goes down as you do it for a year, but especially if that's the only wig that you're using. So I hope to have this one for a year or two as well. But yeah, I've really been loving the quality so far. So I will have the link to this wig in the description bar below. And if you guys have any more questions or want to see anything else about this unit, let me know in the comment sections below, and I'll be happy to get back to you. I hope you guys like the unit. You will be seeing her a lot on my channel and on my social media platforms this coming year. And yeah, I'm really happy with this company. I'll have all the rest of the specifications down in the description box below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!